Hi all, today I'm going to explain how you can check your points for opportunity card. First, you can type make it in Germany opportunity card. If you want to directly go and check the points, you can select this particular link self check opportunity card. Otherwise, if you want to see the details or the requirements or more information about the opportunity card, you can click this particular link and you'll be able to see the requirements. How does the point system for opportunity card work? And here you'll be able to see the self check. So first you can type your nationality. I'm giving India. Then go to test. You'll be redirected here, and first of all they'll ask for the qualification that took at least 2 years to complete. For example, you can give yes, I have an academic qualification, and here you will be able to see the points. Then click next. And did you obtain your qualification in Germany, or is it partially or fully recognized? So if it is fully recognized, or you have obtained your non-academic vocational or academic qualification in Germany, you are automatically qualified for an opportunity card. So no need to check. If, for example, if you can click this and click next, yes, you can see that your German qualification or the full recognition qualifies you for a German search for a job search opportunity card. In other case, we can try out once more, and yes, provide India, your nationality, and in this case we can select some other option. Yes, I have an academic qualification. Then click next. Okay, so this time we can select this particular. Yes, my qualification is partially recognized in Germany, so it has 0 points. If your qualification is not recognized, it's 0 points, and if you don't know, you don't have any points. Then click next, and you can see that the status is 4 points now. And click next. And what are the language skills you have? So yes, if you have German language skills level A1 or above, or English skills B2 or above, and A1 German and B1 English, or you don't have any qualification like neither A1 German nor B2 English, you have to select particular option. For now, we can select I have English skills only, that to B2 level. Then click next, and you meet the basic language requirements. Are you currently able to demonstrate a profound knowledge of German? So let's see, you don't have any German proficiency, so it's also 0 points. If you have B2 level German, then it's 3 points. B1 level 2 points. A2 level A1 1 point, and A1 does not have any points. And even if you don't have any German language proficiency, also 0 points. So let's take this particular one. And are you able to currently demonstrate profound knowledge of English? For that, we can select yes, B1 or B2. Still, it's 0 points, but let's try that one. And if you have C1 level or above English language certificate, it has 1 point. So let's select this one. And how old are you? So if you are someone who's between 18 years and 34 years, 2 points. 35 to 39, 1 point. 40 years or older, 0 points. So maybe let's see 35 years, and yes, currently you have 5 points. So do you have work experience related to your non-academic vocational qualification or academic qualification? Yes, click next. That last question doesn't have any points. So how many years of experience? Let's say 5 years. 5 years within the last 7 years. So yeah, the status is 8 points. So I think yeah, the minimum score is 6 points. So as you have already passed like 8 points, you are qualified for the opportunity card. So this is how you can check the points. If you need, I can just mention one more, like I can try it out one more time. This time we can see select some other options, and yes, I have academic qualification. No, my qualification is not yet recognized in Germany. But you have German, this A1 German and B1 English, B1 level for English, and yes, you have yes, B1. Then English, we can see B1 or B2, and age, let's give something between 18 to 34. Work experiences, you have 2 years of experience within the last 5 years. Yes, so this time also minimum score is 6 points, and yeah, you are qualified for the opportunity card. So I guess you got an idea how to check or calculate the points for opportunity card. So yes, I guess this video is helpful for you. If you like this, if you have some questions, you can post it in the comments. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.